Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuides. Today I'll show you how to add page number in Canva. I'll teach you the simplest possible way, so watch till the end. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an updates from us. First of all, head on to Canva from your favorite browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. Over here, choose your presentation. Now I will choose this one. Okay. You can see I am in presentation. Over here you may have multiple pages. Now I am adding few pages. Okay, I have added 5 pages. Now to add page number, head on to text and click on add a headline. Then over here you can type 1. You can see I have typed 1. Now I will drag it to any position as my choice. Then you can simply click on text and go to effects. Now you can see here is background. Click on background. You can change various settings over here. You can change color. In my case, I will keep it red. Okay. And I will change this text color to white. So you can see here I have created page number. Now what I'll do is simply click on this and Ctrl C. I have copied this. I will go over here, page number 2, and I'll simply Ctrl and V. You can see here our page number is copied. We can change the text by just double clicking and typing 2. Also, I'll go to page number 3 and Ctrl V, and I'll change this text to 3. Again, I'll go to next page and Ctrl V, and I will type 4. And in the next page, I'll Ctrl and V, and I will change the text to page number 5. In this way, we can add page number in Canva. So, if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.